Let's make the much talked about Disney's walking taco. A fun, flavorful, crunchy, cheesy, and completely customizable and easy to make dish. Here's how to make it. For our creation, you'll need taco seasoning, ground beef, beans, Spanish rice, grated cheddar cheese, diced onions, sliced jalapenos, sour cream, and corn chips, the crunchy base that holds it all together. With everything ready to go, let's get cooking. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet over medium heat. Stir occasionally to break it up as it cooks. Once it's fully cooked, drain any excess fat to keep things light and flavorful. Now stir in about 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning. Feel free to adjust more or less depending on your taste. Add a splash of water to help blend the flavors, then let it simmer for 5 to 15 minutes, allowing that savory seasoning to soak into the meat. Once it's rich and aromatic, we're ready to build our walking tacos. To prepare the walking taco, start by placing your desired portion of corn chips into a bowl or right into a chip bag for that classic on-the-go feel. These crunchy chips create the perfect base for all the delicious layers to come. Next, add about 3 to 4 ounces of that flavorful taco meat right over the chips. This hearty layer brings that warm, seasoned goodness to every bite. Now, spoon on about 3 to 4 ounces of pinto beans. They add a creamy texture and extra protein to the mix. Make sure they're evenly distributed, so every bite gets a little bit of everything. Add about a 1/4 cup of Spanish rice, or your favorite rice. This brings a warm, comforting layer that ties the whole dish together. Now it's time to pile on the toppings. Sprinkle on your desired amount of diced green onions for a fresh, zesty crunch. They add just the right amount of bite to balance all the rich flavors. Follow that with a sprinkling of 2 to 4 ounces of cheddar cheese, more if you love it extra cheesy. This cheesy layer makes every bite irresistibly gooey and flavorful. I like to add 3 to 6 jalapeno slices on top to give it a little kick. Adjust the heat to your liking. They add just the right amount of spice to balance the creamy and cheesy layers. Then, top it off with 1 to 2 tablespoons of sour cream to complete our creation of Disney's walking taco. This cool, tangy finish ties all the flavors together for that perfect bite. Time to enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.